Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Pulse. Today, we're diving into the future of travel with a game-changer in the world of electric mobility, the 2025 HomeAway Electric Camper Tricycle. Whether you're an adventurer, a commuter, or someone looking for eco-friendly travel options, this might just be your new best friend. This electric camper tricycle is not just a ride, it's your compact home on wheels. With its modern design, advanced tech, and sustainable build, it's perfect for solo travelers and couples who want to explore without limits. Let's take a closer look at what makes this tricycle so special. First up, the electric motor array. With a top speed of 25 miles per hour and a range of up to 100 miles on a single charge, it's both powerful and efficient. The solar panel roof adds extra charging capability, so you're never out of juice on sunny days. And check this out: the interior cabin transforms into a cozy sleeping space, complete with foldable bedding, storage compartments, and even a mini kitchenette. It's like having your tiny home on three wheels. On the road, it handles like a dream. The wide base and three-wheel design give it incredible stability, and the smart navigation system ensures you always know where you're headed. Plus, the integrated Bluetooth speakers mean you can jam to your favorite tunes while cruising. Charging is a breeze. Plug it in at home or at any EV charging station. And if you're off-grid, the solar panels have you covered. It's sustainable travel, redefined. So there you have it, the 2025 HomeAway Electric Camper Tricycle. Whether you're chasing sunsets, exploring hidden trails, or just looking for a unique way to travel, this little powerhouse has got you covered. Let me know in the comments, so would you take this on your next adventure? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest in eco-friendly travel and adventure gear. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy travels!